Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is important for maintaining the health of your skin, cartilage, teeth, bones, and blood vessels. It also helps protect your body's cells from damage as an antioxidant. People who do not get enough vitamin C from their diets may experience low levels of the vitamin, which can lead to a condition called scurvy. Symptoms of scurvy may include rash, muscle weakness, joint pain, tiredness, and tooth loss. Acerola C wafers can be taken to prevent or treat low levels of vitamin C in the body. The recommended daily dosage may vary, but it is generally best to take Acerola C wafers with a meal to help with absorption. When taking Acerola C wafers, it is typically recommended to take them 1 to 2 times daily, with or without food. If you are taking the extended-release capsules, be sure to swallow them whole and with a full glass of water, unless directed otherwise by your doctor. For those taking the wafers or chewable tablets, make sure to chew them thoroughly before swallowing. If you are using the liquid form of this vitamin, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon. It is important to use this vitamin regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. If you have any concerns about your medical condition, be sure to seek medical help right away. Some common side effects of Acerola C wafer may include diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps/pain, or heartburn. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication to you, it means they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to seek immediate medical attention if you experience any serious side effects, such as painful urination or pink/bloody urine. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, you should still get medical help right away if you notice symptoms like rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's also important to note that the above list of side effects is not exhaustive. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Acerola C wafer, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or medical conditions, such as kidney disease or G6PD deficiency. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor about all the medications and supplements you are currently taking. For pregnant women, Acerola C wafer is considered safe when taken in recommended doses. However, higher doses should only be used if necessary, so it's best to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Similarly, for breastfeeding mothers, it's safe to take Acerola C wafer in recommended doses, but it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor for more information. When taking Acerola C wafer, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Also, be cautious as this vitamin may interfere with certain lab tests, which could lead to false test results. Make sure to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are taking Acerola C wafer. As always, it's essential to consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone has taken too much Acerola C wafer and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the US, residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to schedule and attend all your medical and lab appointments as directed by your healthcare provider. It's important to note that Acerola C wafer is not a replacement for a balanced diet. It's always best to obtain your vitamins from a variety of nutritious foods, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli. It's recommended to consult with your doctor, pharmacist, or nutritionist for more information about the uses and benefits of Acerola C wafer. As for the daily dosage, it's important to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional. And it's best to take Acerola C wafer at the optimal timing recommended by your doctor or pharmacist. If you forget to take a dose of Acerola C wafer, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Acerola C wafer, it's important to follow the specific instructions provided by the brand. Always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. It's also important to properly dispose of the product when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.